in Wu's base of Astragalus. The plants are lush and green. 6 years ago, he took the lead in trying to plant Astragalus on a small plot of land. This year, he finally welcomed his first harvest.
As a type of traditional Chinese medicine, Astragalus has the effects of reinforcing energy and uplifting yang, strengthening the body's defenses, and stopping excessive sweating.
The yield per mu can reach 1,000 to 1,500 kilograms, and the market price is stable at over 15 yuan per kilogram. The considerable profits prompted Wu to expand the planting area this year. At present, the newly planted Astragalus has blossomed and borne fruit, showing a very promising growth.
在新种的一批，我引进了滴灌，等于水回一体化。说这个药材什么时候要水的时候，我就随时可以滴水；要肥的时候，我可以随时把那个肥料滴进去，减少了这个人工化肥。
It is reported that the total area of Chinese herbal medicine fields in Zuqiao Township, Gang County, Jiangxi Province, is about 700 mu. The township government has actively built a promotion platform to bring local Chinese herbal medicines into various agricultural product promotion conferences, helping Zuqiao Chinese herbal medicine go beyond the countryside to a broader market and boost rural revitalization.